Bhoi Presbyterian Higher Secondary School Nongpo Kasantrik Yayong la Pynhap Pyrda noi ke inter-house sports meet harja apolai ke arsingi hamadan NSCA Pams aim. Hakne ka singi lawan man sakhi du MLA ke Nongpo uba Meryl Bonds aim kumukong san u MDC ke Nongpo uba Belajet Rani urang bashnong ke Shnong Pams aim uba Jedwin Dingdo Reverend DR Suting badai ru secretary jong ke managing committee jong ne school haringkar ke jiadon lang ki kmi pa kin hikai bikinong piat school. Hakne ke inter-house sports meet apply ke Blue House kla yo ban rai ka nam ladu ba ke Violet House kla rai ka nam best discipline.
Ning sokmen banta ba tu bajuk ya kita kam darju inalat but the activities ki prepare ila belong lagi di school but ki at the school meet at the district level do ki bajudon inalat banyak kerja hidup ke banta ila yo shop dari kota But ni sokmen bahag hukum kene ke poru niyo ya kene ke poru ke kerpang baniyo bani kendu bani I ya kini kisah di hong hidup ini kitbok kirya tolong ya syafran agis I por ke ya denti hidup ini sa angkara muslim harai dia it is indeed an honor and privilege for me to be here today on this auspicious occasion to be part of this beautiful program that has been organized for the Inter-House Athletic Meet 2023 for the RBP Higher Secondary School. I would like to extend my sincere thanks to the principals, to the school authority who have invited me to be here today to be part of this beautiful program, to witness the talent of each and every student who have showcased their skill and talent through different activities that we have witnessed in the past 2 days.
Closing ceremony of this annual sport meet of RBP Higher Secondary School. As an ex-student of this school, I remember that I have been like you before. I have participated in most of the events of our school at the time when I am in RBP Higher Secondary School. One thing I still remember till now, when I was at the last year of my school time on class 10, I remember that I was the house captain. At that time, I am very proud that on that year, our team got the discipline team, which is very important in our life. That's why till now, I am still remember on that year when we received that discipline team.
Let you